If you look at any electrical panel, you will find three types of measuring devices there. The first of all among these is ammeter. Ammeter is used to measure current. For example, let's assume that we have a bulb. How much ampere current flows in this bulb when we make it glow? If you want to find out, then we use this type of ammeter for it. The connection of the ammeter is very simple. What we have to do is the lamp I have here, we have to provide a single phase power supply to make this lamp glow. That is phase supply and neutral supply. Now from these two power supply we take the neutral power supply and connect it directly to the lamp. Now if we want to measure how much ampere current flows in this lamp, then we cannot connect the phase supply directly with the lamp. For this we have to take the phase supply and connect it to the first terminal of the ammeter. After that, from the second terminal behind the ammeter, we have to connect a wire and connect it with the lamp. Right now to explain you, I used a lamp here. It may be possible that you have a motor or any electrical panel. If you want to measure the current of any electrical device, then to measure the current in series with phase supply, you have to connect the ammeter. So, we have understood what is ammeter and how to do wiring of this. Now let's understand what a voltmeter is. Friends, suppose you have a power supply. If you want to check the voltage of that power supply, then to find out what is the voltage in that power supply, you have to use an electrical instrument like this, which we call a voltmeter. Connection of this voltmeter is much simpler than an ammeter. Suppose you have a power supply and you want to check the voltage of that power supply. For this, what you have to do, first terminal of voltmeter here on which V1 is written, you have to connect this to the phase supply. And the second terminal of the voltmeter, which has a symbol of V2 or minus, we will connect that terminal to the neutral power supply. After connecting this much, the voltmeter will show the voltage. Now you have understood the connection of both the ammeter and voltmeter. Friends, before moving forward, let me tell you something. If you are an electrician or an electrical engineer looking for the best book to level up your skills, then I have got something perfect for you. This Electrician A to Z wiring book written by Arun Gupta. This book contains 100 plus circuit diagrams with 190 pages, including dual starter, star delta starter, reverse forward starter, and many other essential working diagrams that every professional must know. The best part is you can get this book instantly as a PDF. Just visit to www.wiringschool.com or click the link in the video description to buy the book. Once you make the payment, you will get an option to download the book right away, and we will also send the download link directly to your email for easy access. This is not just a book, it's your ultimate guide for mastering electrical wiring. Don't miss out, grab your copy now. Okay, let's continue to our video. Now let's talk about what a wattmeter is. We use a wattmeter to measure the power. For example, suppose you have a lamp. If you make this lamp glow, then you have to check how much power is going into the lamp. If you want to check how much watt power is being consumed, then you have to use a wattmeter like this. Now to connect this wattmeter, if you look at the backside of this wattmeter, you will find total 4 terminals here. If you look at the backside of this wattmeter, you will find total 4 terminals here. On all 4 terminals, such names are written as M, L, C, V. Now let's understand meaning of these and how they are wired. For connection of this wattmeter, you should have a single phase power supply. It is a single phase wattmeter. Now phase supply of this power supply here, first of all we have to connect this to the terminal M of wattmeter. After that, this L terminal here, we will get the output power supply from this terminal. So we have to connect this to the lamp. If you have any other electrical device, then the phase supply will go through the terminal L. Now if we want to make this lamp glow, then we have to provide a neutral power supply also. So we will take the neutral power supply and connect it directly to the lamp. So if we connect it like this, then this lamp will glow in this condition, but our wattmeter will not show any reading. To show the reading through the wattmeter, we have to give the feedback of the voltage also. Now to give the feedback of the voltage, what you have to do, the phase supply which is connected to the terminal M, loop a wire from this terminal and connect this wire to the terminal C. After this, connect the terminal V to the neutral power supply. So if we connect the load to the wattmeter in series, and if we give the feedback of the voltage to the wattmeter, then the wattmeter will show the power consumption. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then do like, comment and share this video. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.